It all started with a dream. Big dreams. No specific plan. Just doing the things that I love to do. And doing it over and over again. It's a passion. So back then it was impossible to grow plants here. But now, before I begin, let me do a shout out to Rob and Tintin. Rob is a nurse, my friend, and she is a pharmacist, his wife. They are content creators. Please support them. The link is down below. Now let's begin. As with any DIY project, it is very important to plan ahead. And part of that planning is the preparation of the materials and the site. Here are some of the materials that we use, but then again, it all depends whatever you want, whatever suits you. Shout out as well to Christian, my son, without whose help this project would not have been possible. Here we started to dig in the ground, my son and I, even before we put in the Masonic string line. We just got excited. But then, right before we laid the string line and the cinder blocks, we had a big rain, and that has made our task even more difficult. The purpose of the string line is to achieve balance and symmetry. The lines of the fish pond should be in alignment with the lines of the garden. Next up is the laying of the concrete blocks. For this purpose, we can use commercial grade concrete mix. We will mix it, lay it on the ground along the edges of the fish pond, and we will lay the cinder blocks one after the other. As you can see here, we dug along the edges of the fish pond. The only thing is, we were not able to record the laying of the concrete mix in the ground. Here you will see what I mean about balance and symmetry. The lines of the fish pond is in accordance with the lines of the garden. Also, I added some space in between the cinder blocks to make them more stable. Another option is for you to use some metal bars in between or over the cinder blocks to make them more stable. Next, we're gonna smoothen the side of the fish pond using sand topping mix as shown here. We're gonna use a pointing trowel to mix the concrete mixture and stick it along the side, and at the same time we're gonna use a rectangular trowel to smoothen the sides. The most important thing to remember about laying the tarp is to flatten the ground as well as the sides. This is to prevent puncture in your tarp. Then we added water, and at this point my son got excited. He wanted to put the fishes in the fish pond. However, make sure that you treat the chlorine in the water because this will kill the fishes. Here is the most difficult part, the laying of the bricks and the tiles. Now this involves laying the bricks and the tiles one by one along the string line, making sure that it's also level with the ground, as you will see here. Since it's hot in Texas, you will need to have some shade because we did this construction right around summertime, so it's really super hot. Here you will see the string line and the tiles being aligned along the string line. As you can see here, we are removing the wooden support that we use to level the tiles with the ground. Here again is the string line used to align the bricks. Another option is to use wooden planks on both sides of the bricks so that they are completely aligned. And make sure that your bricks are completely level with the ground. Also, we have created a platform on one end of the fish pond, maybe for some future waterfall or maybe for some plants. Then I completely brushed off the stains left by the concrete mix on the tiles using paintbrush and water. Additionally, you can use washcloth to remove the stains. Now here is the pond. Not the perfect pond, considering that it's been done by amateurs just like us, me and my son. I would say not bad. Not bad. And on a quiet morning just like today, you will actually see the fishers. So there's about 25 fishes here overall, including a tilapia and mostly koi fishes. And moving over here, you'll see that there's a platform that I needed to decide what to do next. So if you like this video, hit that like icon, hit that notification bell so you can be updated on my latest videos. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. See you in the next one. Bye.